As we gradually allow essential travel through the various schemes, we have reviewed our charging policy for COVID-19 treatment for travellers. From 7 August, all outbound Singaporeans, PRs and long-term pass holders who travel abroad under the permitted travel arrangement, such as that under the bilateral arrangements with Malaysia and China, will be able to tap on the regular healthcare financing arrangements for their inpatient medical bills should they have onset of symptoms within 14 days of their return to Singapore and require hospital admission for suspected COVID-19 infection. This means that Singaporeans and PRs will be eligible for government subsidies and MediShield Life Integrated Shield Plan coverage, and long-term pass holders may tap on their prevailing financing arrangements, such as the foreign worker insurance, but any remaining co-payment will continue to be paid by the patient. Those who are not under the permitted travel arrangements and instead travel in breach of the travel advisories will continue to pay for their COVID-19 inpatient medical bills in full. In addition, short-term pass holders entering Singapore under the permitted travel arrangements will remain responsible for their medical bills should they test positive for COVID-19 within 14 days of arrival in Singapore. While our community numbers have remained low, we must continue to be vigilant. Many Singaporeans are anxious to resume some of the activities, but we must balance that with the risk of transmission. Learning from the experience of many countries that have seen a second wave or some even third wave after restrictions are lifted, the Multi-Ministry Taskforce has adopted a cautious approach towards easing of restrictions. At the same time, we have heard from many Singaporeans about the activities that you hope to resume, and we understand why some of these activities are important. And that is why we recently eased restrictions on 2 significant life events, weddings and wake and funerals. We recognize that these are key milestones in life that Singaporeans hope to commemorate, and that memories of these events will stay precious long after COVID-19 pandemic is over. We will continue to assess the situation and allow the gradual resumption of other events, including wedding receptions and some religious rites. But on the whole, most other events should continue to remain virtual for now. These include large gatherings and festivities surrounding national and community occasions. This does not mean that we can no longer celebrate these occasions, but that we will need to find new ways to do so. Take this year's National Day celebration, for example. Singaporeans are a resourceful people, and many have found new and creative ways to commemorate our nation's independence, while adhering to the safe management measures. With the right mindset and attitude, we can adapt and make the best of the situation, even if we need to continue with safe distancing measures.